day of my income for 3 weeks and made a little over $20,000 of gross weight. Of course, in those days, probably last year it's supposed to be like of clean money, but now it's a gross weight. So I'll go like step by step. I will try to. So it's basically kind of my first video of doing the total weeks. No, it's actually the second video when I'm doing my weekly recap of fuel and all the stuff of the income. So the first week was very good, like very good runs. Made like a little over 8,000. Second week was slow, and third week was between the first week and the second week. And actually, in those 3 weeks, I was home for like 3 or 4 days too. Like some days like the full day, some days like half day or something, but I was home a lot, and I was kind of like, oh wow, yeah. So it was a pretty good run. So November is gonna be slow because I was in Cancun, and it's probably like 2 weeks of driving or even less, so I would not even bother of putting any videos. But in December, planning to drive for about 2 to 3 weeks, so I will definitely make a video, and probably I will go with a recap of the whole year, how it came up of truck driving, especially in 2019 with those new rules and changes and all this stuff. Let's go to truck and do some calculating. Glider Cascadia 2018. Let me show you the science. Even on the side skirt. Let's start the video. Okay, so I just did my trip, and then I went to Cancun. So the trip was about like 22 days, and made almost 23,000 in a gross weight, which was good for, yeah, because 2019 year was kind of slow. So it was very slow. So I did my stop to stop, how much miles per money and all this stuff. Here's what I spent for change tire, tolls and coffee, all this stuff. So basically first week made like 8,500, second week 5,700, third week 7,700. So total came up to 22,900. Mileage 12,286 miles. So the fuel was used almost 1,900, and spent for it almost $5,600, which is after the discount. And our company, that they don't take your discount money like after the discount, so which is very good, because I know some companies that they take the driver's discount. So yeah, I'm trying to fill up like in the good places, TA Petro only, because one time I will try to find a video how I think I filled up. It was like cannot even remember the truck stop that I filled up. I think it was in Utah, in Salt Lake City. I was in Sub Brothers, I think so, and I got their fuel with some kind of junk, and I drained from that fuel filter so much of a crap. I was keep draining like every single day. Like I was draining like half a cup because truck was just like driving and bam, like out of fuel or something. I pulled over, I see it's like junk, it's in a clear filter, so I was keep draining. So right now I'm filling up only tea and petrol. So going next after fuel. So truck payment 20, almost 2300. Trailer payment 650. For the all of the insurances is almost 1200. Dispatch fee, pre-pass, GPS, park, like in the parking. So I end up like almost $10,000. It's after all the expensive yeah, but before the tax, so came up to 10,000 clean money. And yeah, I will show you the pictures of my checks and all this stuff, how it came up. So expecting from November and December pretty good rates, because close to the end of the year it's a good rates, and after it's slow. Last year was nice, but this year it's going slow. So with those new rules and all this stuff, at least that my truck is it's a glider truck, and who knows about the glider, that they know what I'm talking about, how to get more income. Yeah. It need a wash. Usually I do wash the truck when it's like I'm going to actual trip, because our parking lot here, it's made in gravel, from gravel. So it's like, what is the point of washing it when it's going like filthy and all the stuff? I quickly washed it at the house, but I missed here. I totally missed here. I was washing like at 9 p.m. I got some of my signs here. It's my other channel. When I'm fixing the cars home, I'm doing the 6-door build, but I got so busy at work, so that channel is kind of slow. Yep. Put some signs here too. This one here is very visible, and it's dirty too. I need to wash them. Well, I need to wash the truck and trailer. Yep. So my November week is gonna be very slow, and in December I'm planning to work a little bit hard, and I will make another video in November, and in December, how I made how I made money in 2 to 3 weeks there. It's gonna be pretty interesting too. Let's check it out. I came here, and guess what? I forgot keys from the truck. It's ridiculous. I put them on a table and left it, so I need to come home. At least I'm about 1 mile away from the parking. Okay, so here it is.